Attention! The installation should only be carried out by an authorized workshop. Loosen all screws of the exhaust until it is so loose that you can reach all screws of the gearbox cover. Pull away the cover of the Bowden cable tensioner and then open the service cover of the primary housing. Loosen the lock and loosen the adjusting screw. Remove all screws from the clutch cover and remove the original clutch segment using snap ring pliers. Remove the clutch lever bolt and remove it from the fitting. Push the end of the Bowden cable out of the clutch housing until it comes out of the lower part of the Bowden cable tensioner. Loosen the clamping of the Bowden cable tensioner using a slotted screwdriver and remove the part from the Bowden cable. Remove the red clip. Cut a slot in the black part using a handsaw. Be careful not to damage the Bowden cable. Remove the spring. On touring models, this can simply be pulled off. On Softail models, it must be cut open. Now, fit the Müller clutch control. Take the 3 screwed together parts of the clutch control and attach them to the upper part of the Bowden cable. Now connect the elongated tube with the 3 parts and thread the lower part of the Bowden cable until it snaps into the connecting piece. Press the fixation into position using a slotted screwdriver. Now take your new Power Clutch 2.0 and install it in the clutch cover. The 3 balls from the original clutch segment are still used. Refit the clutch cover to the housing, making sure that the seal has not been forgotten. Reassemble the clutch lever to the fitting. Now we come to the basic adjustment. First, turn the adjusting screw several turns into the housing and operate the clutch lever 2 to 3 times. Then loosen the adjusting screw until it is completely tension-free. Now screw the adjusting screw back into the housing until you feel the first resistance. Then open the screw again 1/4 to 1/2 turn. This may be different from model to model. Then, lock the adjusting screw. The adjusting screw should have a slight amount of play after tightening. Now adjust the play on the clutch lever using the Müller clutch control. The lever should have a play of 1 to 1.5 millimeters. As soon as everything is set and locked, you can check the stroke using a dial gauge. This should be 1.6 millimeters for ideal function. Now, tighten the lock nut on the clutch control. Now close the service cover of the primary housing. And then pull the cover over the Müller clutch control. Test on the lifting platform whether you can shift the gears cleanly. If you find it difficult to shift the neutral gear, the basic setting must be adjusted again. Have fun and enjoy your ride with your new Power Clutch 2.0.